So this is an alternative writing idea, this dialogic. We saw it with the Nietzsche in the Nietzsche menu last week, so it's offered again here with a little bit more background on how to do it. So it's a comparative type move. It's something, it's a possible, it's a menu item you'll definitely see on your midterm, which is coming up this weekend. Um, it's the only alternative sort of one offered on this round of proposal writing. Okay, so if you do this one, you have to spend time in your proposal talking about why you're doing a dialogic essay and not a critical essay. Okay, and so why is a dialogic essay going to be a better way to explore the problem, right? So this is a second aspect of textualization. Um, that normally in the textualization move, you're saying I'm using this text because the text will explore the problem in a certain way, or it will be very important or useful for exploring the problem, and I will specifically use these parts of the text. uh, when you're using a different media or medium, you have to do the same thing. So not only am I using Marx to explore this problem, or Marx, Nietzsche, and Plato to explore a problem, but I am looking at, I'm using a specific medium. I'm using this dialogic form. I think the dialogic form, instead of the critical essay, will be useful because, okay? And how will it aid you in your um, quest, in your assignment? So you always want to justify, rationalize, explain why you're doing things. Okay, just don't you know uh, assume that people are going to look at what you're writing about and how you're writing about and say, oh, okay, yeah, that makes sense to me. Uh, a lot of people are going to be like, why are you using Nietzsche or Marx to explore this problem? Why are you using a dialogic essay when I'm used to reading a critical essay or a test or something like that? Okay, so keep that in mind in terms of your writing. So those are the options that you have. So again, you want to write a proposal, right? You want to choose one of these options and write a 250 to 500 word proposal that uses the critical rubric to contextualize, textualize, theorize, and categorize a problem here. Okay, so and that'll be the basis, right? You write that, and that'll be the basis of the dialogic discussion board. So it'll be your first post, and then people respond to that, and then your third post, you will revise your initial proposal.